Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to our family channel and definitely the crew. I hope y'all are doing well, being blessed, staying safe. My shadow, y'all see my shadow? She is missing Savannah like crazy. We all are. It's just emotional. It's very emotional for us. And thank you for everybody who understands and gave their love and sympathy and prayers and stuff for us. Because, like I said, with our baby, you cannot replace that. And if you're not a dog lover, puppy lover, fur baby lover, you're never going to understand what we're feeling. I said, she's our family. We've been having her for 5 years, and it hurts. And every time we look at her spot, it hurts. Every time we do certain things, and it's everyday life. You be with her every day. You see, yes, you be with her every day. You see her every day. And it's like Jordan had put up a community post. Every morning we get up, it's always the same routine. You get up, she talks to you, you take her out to the bathroom, and she wants water. And it's just like your kids. The stuff that annoys you every single day with them, the mom, 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 mom. When you don't hear it, you miss it. Same exact thing with her. So she's missed. And then it's holiday time. So you think about all of that. So I'm finna show you guys what I got today. I just got back from with my mama. She had to get her blood work, and hopefully if everything go well tomorrow, she will be able to do her treatment. You guys know she'll run on a machine. They send her bag home with her chemo bag. She has it and gets it taken off on a Friday. So mama was like, what we gonna eat today? She said she's been wanting some spaghetti, and I said I was not going back to any store until the first. But when y'all mamas want something, you give them what they want. So, yeah, it's already in there. And then Jordan just said he wanted some spaghetti too. And it's something that everybody in the house will eat and love. So we're going to have it for 2 days. So I'm going to show y'all what I got. I'm going to show y'all what I got. I got in that one. I got me a thing of Bluebell ice cream, the French vanilla. I had bought me one the other day, and I've been tearing that ice cream up. And I do have ice cream in the house for the kids, so no worries for anybody that be like, that's her ice cream. Child, y'all know we eat over here. We eat over here. And Renate had went the other day and had got me some, and we only got 2 left, because me and Philip be tearing these babies up. So I got 2 more, and they had just took them out there, refrigerator and freezer area because they're cold. But like I said, I still have 2 more, but I'm about to eat those for breakfast. I picked up 2 packs of the spaghetti, the Great Value spaghetti. My little one, I got him some of the trolleys, the sour bites, and then I got the Haribo, the cherry, Lord have mercy. I'm saying berry and saying cherry. The Haribo berry clouds. These are one of their new ones, so I want to try them. And I'll let y'all know on the screen if I like them or not. And I just picked up this pack for Philip for school. Some Hershey's, the full size, because we're going to be doing more s'mores. Me and Philip today. And then I got the spaghetti sauce packs, because I just like to add these in with my meat, just like you would when you're doing tacos. But of course, I do my bell peppers and onions and stuff with my meat. But I also like to add these. I remember my grandmother always did it. And it just gives it that extra little flavor. Some people like them, some people don't. I like to use them in my spaghetti. And I got me 3 things of Jiffy, because I am not having spaghetti with either. Every time I have spaghetti, I'm either doing garlic bread or cornbread. I'm going to have some kind of bread, and today is no different. So I'm doing some Jiffy. And then I got the Prego meat flavor. This is the one that I prefer. I got the value size one, the 4-pound one. And then I got the little 2-pound one, because I have to make a lot of spaghetti for my family. And then I got a pack of chicken legs, the drumsticks. They were $6. They did have the wings, but their wings was $14 and $17. So I just got a pack of legs. So I will be frying some chicken legs and doing spaghetti. And I already took out my ground beef. I told you guys we always divide up our packs of ground beef when we get home. We put them in freezer Ziploc bag. All right, y'all. Help my dinner. spaghetti, thick cornbread, and the chicken. And my mama fixing her plate now. Same thing now today. And my vanilla. Y'all look. This is my organic meal. Boy, I ain't never make a vegan pie a day in my life. The day I make a vegan pie, check my temperature. Because I got a fever. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm done. I'm done cooking. I'm done with the meal, and it's 3:15. I told y'all by the time Philip came home, I was going to have dinner done. Enjoying getting ready to feed Mama eat. And I told y'all Mama just got her plate. And I done had me a piece of chicken and a little bit. I'll probably eat when Philip eat, after he do his homework and stuff. Because I've been sampling as I've been going, and y'all know how that is. So I told Philip he can either eat now or he can eat around a little bit before 4. And then right after he going to do his homework and study. And that's going to be my night. I'm going to get me a shower, do all my paperwork I need to do for Philip and sign and stuff, and help him study and everything, put my food up. And then that's it. So thank y'all for hanging with me this evening. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.